Hello everyone! We are starting a night care routine and guess who's there with me? My cousin Usha from Dubai. Hi. So guys, I've just washed my face and now it's the time to do toning. So we are taking Riyoherbs Rose water here. And of course, the most easiest, simplest, अच्छे से Usha. Yes. Guys, she's showing that she's also doing. So till the time the rose water gets seeped in, let me tell you what else I plan to use. Once it seeps in, today we are planning to use the anti-aging serum. Then lock it up with the anti-aging cream and our under eye gel. And of course, last but not the least, the under eye cream. The whole night care regime we are doing with Rio today, and I'll make sure that I'll tell you the steps and I'll make sure Usha does it as well.
Yes.
So guys, we are planning to use the anti-aging serum. Now this is a retinol based. Now the main thing when we are using retinol, we all should moisturize the skin. We have just applied a light moisturizer on the face. Why we put a moisturizer before retinol is it makes sure that the retinol serum or the retinol cream is absorbed well. So now we've already moisturized. I'm going to be using this anti-aging serum all over the face and again lock it up with a heavy moisturizer. So this is how we are going to be using the serum, the anti-aging serum. Here, Usha, aap bhi le lo. And here, nikalo aur lagao. Massage it well, okay. And after it is massaged well, come. Once it is done, then we will be locking it up with a heavy moisturizer. So that's how we are going to be using the retinols. So guys, we have applied our retinol serum. Time to lock it up with a heavy moisturizer. This is the night cream by Riyoherbs and we are going to be massaging it well. Not only on the face but also on the neck. Make sure you massage it really well because understand one thing, that whenever you are applying any night cream, a good massage really helps in improving the blood circulation. Okay, so this is how you have to massage your face. And please make sure, do not forget your neck also. You can already see the glow on the face. Usha, dikha. It is so much fun doing a night care together, isn't it? Especially for lazy people like them.
Yeah, I don't do it every day, but yeah, she's an inspiration.
Yeah, so this is it. Don't forget to do. So now time for the under eye cream by Riyoherbs. This is a gel with hyaluronic acid and of course caffeine. So please don't forget your under eye, especially all those people who work on the computers for long hours. Yeah, here Usha, you can take out and apply. You can even massage it with the fingers. Honestly speaking, this is one of the best solutions for the fine lines. Usha, come.
Yep, I'm here.
Yeah. So apply and gently massage with the ring finger because the pressure is the least on this. That's it. And then don't forget your lip balm. So let's clean this. Take your lip balm and apply it. थोड़ा सा निकल गया. Yeah. Usha, अब हाथ में ले लो. Like this. So our night care routine is done. Come. Guys, last but not the least, I have to complete my hair care routine. I'm using the hair strengthening serum by Perenne. Very, very important. Take out the partings like this and apply it only in the roots. Make sure it doesn't come in front, okay? Next section. Put your head towards the back when you're applying so that it doesn't fall on the forehead, or what you can do is you can start from the back and then come in the front. I'm going to be leaving the link for you guys for all those people who are facing hair thinning and hair fall problem. You will get the results in at least 3 months. You have to be consistent. Don't expect miracles overnight. Okay. And this has to be applied all over in the... So guys, our night care routine is done. Good night. You can see the skin glowing. So only key to good skin is consistency. Yes?
Yes.
Promise you will do it?
I will do it.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
I wanna be happy.